My God, I hate drugs.
Karumal-dumal lang sinapit ng isang binatilyo sa San Jose del Monte, lalawigan ng Bulacan. Pinugutan siya ng kanyang tiyuhin na umano'y lulong sa droga. Nakatutok si Jay Sabale. Eksklusibo.
Ganito na lang ang iyak ni Ricky Buyo nang mahukay ang pugot na ulo ng kanyang 14 na taong gulang na anak na si Jerry. Dito sa tabing sapa sa Barangay Menuyan, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, ibinaon ang ulo ng biktima. Ang sospek sa pagpatay sa binatilyo, ang tiyuhin pa man din ng biktima. Bandang alas 7 raw kagabi nang mawala si Jeric matapos daw itong biglang habuli ng sospek. Makalipas ang 3 oras, natagpuan ang wala ng ulong katawan ng biktima, tagtad ng saksak.
Pwede kong galawin? Hindi man to gagawa ng hindi baliw, di ba? Kung matino tong tao, gagawin ba niya to? Baliw na to, nasa droga.
Sa follow-up operation pasado alas 4 na madaling araw, nahuli ang sospek habang kumakain ng balot at nagkakape sa isang tindahan. Nakasukbit pa sa sospek ang umano'y pinangsaksak at pinanggilit nito sa 14 anyos na biktima. Dito na siya kinumpronta ng kanyang pinsan.
Yung ulo na nga nato, saan? Saan mo? Ulo? Saan? Saan? Saan mo nilagay? Ituro mo, be. Ituro mo.
Kinalaunan, itinuro rin ng sospek kung saan niya ibinaon ang ulo. Nakausap namin ang sospek pero tila wala ito sa sarili.
Bakit mo ginawa yun?
Git niya, hindi raw siya ang may gawa ng krimen.
Sinong sumaksak?
Yung lalaki nga doon, oh.
Oo.
Tapos, bigla lang yung sumulpot eh.
Oo.
Sinaksak.
Nakapit ngayon ang sospek sa San Jose del Monte PNP HQ habang hinahanda ang mga kaso laban sa kanya.
Sa epekto nga ng paggamit ng droga, ito yung nakakasira ng lalong-lalo na sa kaisipan ng isang taong normal kapag ito'y gumamit ng droga.
Siya? Calican, super press. Up in the club, it's a memories friends. If I kiss, you all dance. Shoot for man's friend, it's a memories friends. Drive up, woo. Hopping like you for me, woo. Hopping door kissing, woo. Joy kissing. But you do what you be fat, but woo. Wiggle, boo, 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 boo. Ooh, boo, 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 boo. Yeah! Boo, 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 boo. Whoa! JJ, Calican, lot the crash. Happy in the press and the priest that crash. But I don't care, they shoot it crash. Hit me the fat, but the least that crash. Shut up, woo! Hopping no occasion, woo! Hopping no freezing, you! Die, Jesus, but you know what to do, what to be fat, but who? Wiggle, boo, 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 wiggle, boo, 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 boo.
You know this country, this is Israel, and this is also the Germany, huh? I have a 7 magnificent here. In this 100 feet ground in the fault line, this country, you know every station I know in country. In our Papay station, I have 27 canyons, 7 granites, and 27 boulder business of bull tanks of negative 77 part of night shadow, the fixer. When I opened the Malacanang City in St. Jude Hospital, I have a 7 grounds of magnificent 7 treasure of national gods of Colombia, and that is a Pearl Golden Buddha. I know this city. In this whole world, I have many missiles in this valley. I have 37 missiles under the ground of Camiedo, and it was easy to find because the 400 feet was injured by my knuckled hot down of my shadow that paint the ghost of the king of the last coming of the full seat. That is the Magna Fanta computer. And I'm teasing my mind because Noy Aquino was this that demon. He find my 3 character of my 2 hearts, and shadow he put in the fire, and I recover. And I use drugs of that shabu. So when I use drugs, I remember my morning. Ay, Bongbong is good up further. If you remember, Master, Senyor, I said, good morning, ha? Good morning po. Pasensya na po. That was the time I know, ha? You better know the day. I'm better for all, ha? And you know, this country is a city kind of God. That is Jerusalem. Now, for all of you, if you contact Mrs. Marcos or anybody who is in Marcos family, you told them, hey, butter, you bother you respect my mind, boy. It's just an innocent time. You give me a shit of mind. You bother this my chicken? Come on, let's fight. How do you go see? Let them respect somebody's talking. Huh? If you don't like my dialogue, you go out in the city. I'm a police also. I'm an NBI, I'm an FBI. Huh? Even you talk to Mr. Rami, huh? Puan speech. You're from India, a Ponchata to Puti. Do you remember Rango? When I did 100 Mina, you know, fix a tanko, Peter. I know you, Bangi. If you're knocking me, no money allowed for me, but I'm innocent. Huh? I love Filipino mind, huh? Better in mo, I'm stupid, huh? Kung pinakilala kayo, kung kilala yung mama ko, kung malapit kayo kay mama, sabihin nyo si Bongbong gising. Ang putang ng Channel 7, Channel 2 ayaw papasukin. Paano takot sila? Ha? Pag ganito naman yung akin ito, puputan ko ng ulo sa harapan yan. Ang laki na atraso sa akin yan. Yung pinaka-itlog ko, tsaka yung pinaka-basahis ko, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Stomach ko, nilagay niya rito. Ang headbit ko, kita nyo, wala na ako ko. Eh, ito ano, si keep my 3 eyes, ha? My nose was put in the heart, man. And my hair put in my pubic hair. It changed easy. And I cannot fix that, yeah? That's the demon of Vietnam, huh? Now he's a president. Talking na yan. And then I say, a Filipino is master.
Mga demonyo sa akin lumipat. Ako'y na mga sapisan ng nayayamot. Si Patrick Tarantado, si Renny Unulin. Sopa sa sisiche, super light. Ebony mamite, super dulay. Every say but you. I really every day.
Ano pamagat?
And I know that you feel it. And I know he's glad to fly. And I know he's glad to fly to less. And I know how to plead. And I know he's got the action. And I know he's got to lose. I know he's got the passion. And I know we like to you. And I know we like to make it. And I know we like myself. I know we get it you like. So I really got to leave it. To believe we let you go. And I know we really got to lose. Very glad. I got it low. Every gun, I got low. Make it loud. I got everybody got his body got feeling like to play. Everything life, nothing love, nothing got it, more time. I don't we wanna do, living getting us for. I be taking you night. Forever know tonight. Forever know. Nothing got it, just falling in love. Nothing got it in my life. Nothing got it stay. Totally glimpse of a
Love song.
2, 3, go!
Ayaw? Oo, ayaw nga eh.
Sisimula siya eh?
Hindi.
Hindi siya.
Hayop ka?
Oo, hayop nga eh. Hayop nga, hayop nga eh.
Hayop ba?
Elephant daw, elephant.
Elephant?
Pagka magsasalita kayo, ayusin mo para hindi kami nagkakagulong mga judges. Away kami.
Hindi.
Malaki?
Pwede.
Nasa kalawakan?
Oo,
Manok?
ayaw hindi, ano?
Dali na, dali! Ano na yung kanina? Tama na yata eh.
Bigyan mo na naman.
Pwede.
Manok?
Ano?
Manok?
Pwede hindi. Mamoy. Pwede hindi. Mamoy. Ilan ang pa? Tanong mo ilan ang pa?
Ilan pa?
Ewan. Ikaw sumagot, gago. Basta may pa yan, gago. Oo.
Pato?
Pwede.
Bibi?
Hindi.
Anak akin? Ibon?
Mukha mo!
Oo! Mabo! Mas ano